In today's edition of Crypto with a Coffee, I'll be going over Chainlink, VeChain, Decentraland, and Bitcoin. What's going on, guys? Randy here with another daily crypto video. If you guys like daily crypto content, be sure to subscribe to the channel, smash that like button, and hit the bell notification because I do 2 videos per day, once in the morning, Crypto with a Coffee, and then later on I do a coin review. So again, smash the like button. Alright, before I get into today's content, I want to tell you about BlockFi. I'm sure you've heard about it before from other YouTubers, but you can get up to $250 of free Bitcoin when you fund your BlockFi account, and I'll give you an added bonus if you use my referral code below. There's no lockup period, and you can earn up to 8.6 APY on USDC, Bitcoin, ETH, Litecoin, and Link. Again, use my link down below. You'll get up to $250 free Bitcoin from BlockFi and another bonus from me that I will send to you in crypto. All right, let's take a look at the charts here. So, Bitcoin's hovering around just over $58,000. Bitcoin touched 60,000 overnight briefly, but got rejected. Markets have kind of been stagnant, which isn't a bad thing. They've kind of been hovering around the same area of accumulation, if you will. The biggest winner on the day is Harmony, Holo, Pundiac. They're going to be switching their token model. If you hold 1,000 Pundiacs, it's going to be equal to the new 1 Pundiac. People are kind of preparing for Pundiac's token swap here. Also, Terra, Decentraland, Filecoin, all up on the day. And losers on the day, NEM, PancakeSwap, Thorchain, Solana, Elrond, all down between 35 and 10%. Okay, so let's take a look on page 2. Page 2 is always fun to see the hot coins that are kind of trying to crack that top 100. Orbs up 389% on the 7-day. StormX up 251%. Live Peer Carry, Cardia Chain. Cardia Chain has kind of been like that hot coin that a lot of people have been talking about and is finally making the gains. Losers on page number 2. Luxo token down 34%. Might be a good time to pick up some Luxo. Luxo was on a tear. Quite the project going on with a long list of supporters and backers. Luxo is on sale today. Okay, let's get into the first bit of news. So we'll start with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin better than gold if you study it, fund manager tells mainstream media. Bitcoin is superior to gold if investors take the time to study it, says hedge fund manager Anthony Scaramucci. Now, Scaramucci, you might know him from his time with the Trump administration, but he is the CEO of Skybridge Capital, and he says comparing the two assets, there's little doubt as to his preference, arguing that gold may have been the choice for a store of value for 4,000 years, but nothing is forever. In a lot of ways, if you study it, it's better than gold. It's easier to store. You can move it around more quickly, and that value, that trusted network is growing. And we see it all the time. People call Bitcoin digital gold, and the thing is, it is what you say it is. If there's enough people that call it gold or digital gold, then that's what it will become. That's the narrative, so to speak. Bitcoin is digital gold, and we're going to treat it as such. It's because of that finite supply and the store of value, and get your digital gold while you can. Next story, Decentraland. This casino in Decentraland is hiring for real. Real-life hosts now work the floor at Decentral Games' Tamanoia Casino, helping newcomers to this crypto house of chance try their hand at digital roulette, blackjack, and slots. For 4 hours each day, these greeters staff shifts in the metaverse. Then, at the end of the month, they get paid upwards of $500 in DAI, or the firm's DG token. The hiring push is an early example of real-life employment opportunities in the decentralized metaverse, where players who navigate user-owned landscapes swap cryptos like mana for pieces of digital art, clothing, and even land parcels, all recorded on the blockchain as a non-fungible token. It has onboarded some 20 part-time greeters and a full-time manager to run the show, according to Decentral Games founder Miles Anthony. Inside an average shift, so people actually work at this casino in Decentraland, and this is what a shift looks like. The hosts themselves are tasked with integrating first-time casino goers into an unfamiliar interface. GLHF said. And GLHF is the manager of this Decentraland Casino. They explain simple tasks like placing a bet or spinning a roulette wheel, complex ones like loading crypto into their metaverse wallets. You can't play a game with a robot and say, hey man, this is cool, isn't it? Wow, look at this, he said. You know, there's just that personal touch that I believe is worth the investment, and you can actually share emotions. That's wild. What Decentraland is doing is crazy, in my opinion. I mean, this is like next level stuff here. This is actual, it's like you're almost living in this alternate reality world, and that's what video games are. But this is taking it to another level where there's actual employees working the casino, not just bots. Pretty wild there what Decentraland has going on. Okay, so next story, Chainlink. Chainlink eyes new all-time highs following Grayscale listing. Chainlink pumps on the Grayscale news. So decentralized oracles token Chainlink resumed its uptrend after Grayscale revealed that it would allow accredited investors to issue trust shares backed by Link. The shares will come with a lock-in period and are non-redeemable, similar to the other prior altcoin listings. Chainlink had endured a 2-week-long consolidation period before Grayscale's announcement, as the 10th largest cryptocurrency by market cap made a series of lower highs and higher lows. A symmetrical triangle developed on its 4-hour chart. The news from the world's largest digital asset manager catalyzed Link to slice through the triangle's upper trend line to hit a high of $31.40. It just, you could see that Link's gonna blow. I'm gonna do a video about oracles here pretty soon, maybe even tonight. Chainlink's ready to pop, and so are some of these other Oracle projects. They haven't really been doing too much lately because there's been focus elsewhere. Chainlink's, I think, it's gonna blow its top here pretty soon, and some of these other oracles are gonna follow suit. All right, next story up. So I'm gonna do a VeChain here. VeChain is kind of in the same boat. They target highs after increased profit taking. VeChain is on track for further gains. So VeChain broke out of an inverse head and shoulders formation on February 9th. This pivotal movement occurred after a 2-year-long consolidation period, adding more significance to VET's upside potential. After successfully retesting the pattern's neckline at 0.036 in late February, VeChain officials entered a new bullish cycle from a technical perspective. Now that this cryptocurrency has risen more than 1% since the retest, the inverse head and shoulders pattern projects that VET could climb another 660% to hit a target of 56 cents. All right, and here's your tweet for the day. Fortune magazine predicts that BTC, Bitcoin, will jump to $70,000 in the near future following Fibonacci. I'll also link this Fortune article down in the description, but I think 70K is inevitable, right? We're still at the start of this bull run. Some people think it's going to hit $288,000 before it's all said and done. So 70K Bitcoin is going to happen, and Fortune magazine agrees. Okay, that's all I have for you guys today. If you guys like daily crypto content, make sure you smash the like button, follow the channel, and I'll see you guys tonight.